Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Biological Tips. I hope you will like my video. Today I'm going to start with excretion part 3. Now in my previous session I said you about excretion in human beings. Okay, now let us see excretion in other organisms. What happens in amoeba? That is, amoeba is nothing but your unicellular organism, amoeba, paramecium, etc. Now this amoeba and paramecium, here it happens with diffusion. Okay, amoeba and this have contractile vacuole. What will happen is this contractile vacuole will collect the waste from the body, and the body swells up and they go to a particular surface and they burst there, and in this way they remove their waste. Clear? In sponges and coelentrates, what will happen? They don't have specific organs for excretion. This also happened with diffusion, etc. Firstly, we have seen excretory organs in platyhelminthes, that is flatworms, etc. They have flame cells. Okay, flame cells have as their excretory organs, and gradually from platyhelminthes, till animalia, it gradually till human beings, it gradually evolved. So that was a simple lookout in organisms. Now let us see in plants. The plants which don't have chlorophyll, or in night time, what will happen? CO2 and water are the excretory products. जिसके पास क्लोरोफिल नहीं होता है, जो ग्रीन कलर के नहीं होते, जो अपना खाना नहीं पका सकते हैं, या फिर रात के वक्त जब फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं होता है, तो क्या होता है? CO2 और वाटर एक्सक्रीटरी प्रोडक्ट होते हैं. क्लियर? During photosynthesis, oxygen is nothing but oxygen is the excretory product. ऑक्सीजन एक्सक्रीट होता है, हम लोग उसे यूज़ कर लेते हैं, इतना ही होता है. तो ऑक्सीजन वो होता है वो स्टोमाटा और लेंटिसल्स, वो स्टोमाटा एंड लीव्स और लेंटिसल्स इन स्टेम हेल्प इन exchange of gases. Now excess water, that is nothing but ट्रांसपिरेशन और या फिर गटेशन भी बोलते हैं. इन दोनों के प्रोसेस के ज़रिए एक्सेस वाटर निकाला जाता है, जो कि अगेन वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट होता है. नाउ वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स आर ऑल्सो स्टोर्ड इन लीव्स, फ्रूट्स और बार्क ऑफ द ट्रीज. लीव्स जब वो लोग शेड हो जाते हैं या फिर गिर जाते हैं, उस वक्त क्या होता है? वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट भी चल जाते हैं. फ्रूट्स जब राइप होते हैं और जब लोग गिर जाते हैं, उस वक्त भी क्या होता है? वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट ख़त्म हो जाते हैं. और राइपेंड फ्रूट्स के अंदर, not exactly in ripened fruits, but in seeds of the fruits, they have solid bodies which store what this kind of waste, that is known as raphides. Okay, just get to the clear to the spellings. It is RAPHIDES. Okay, raphides. Now let us see the this thing. Now for protection, what they use, these plants, they release chemicals for herbivores shouldn't come and eat them, or else when there is a wound or any injury in the plant body, what will happen? For healing also they release chemical. Now in pollination for any other help, they they release chemical for attraction also. Chemical is released for protection, chemical is released for healing the wound, chemical is also released for attraction, for pollination, or for any other purposes. Example for attraction is root nodules. Okay, they will have, so in root nodules, what do we see? There will be chemical secretion. Okay, now what will happen? They will attract bacteria like Rhizobium, Anabaena, Azotobacter for nitrogen fixation. Okay, in this way pollination also happens, and this relation is known as symbiotic relationship. Now, biochemical substances are divided into two: primary metabolites and secondary metabolites. Now let us see what are primary metabolites: carbohydrates, fats, proteins. Secondary metabolites are not much needed, but still, like alkaloids, tannins, gums, etc. They're not much needed for the plant growth. Okay, we are studying about plants. Now let us look what is alkaloid. Alkaloid is nothing but it's a nitrogenous byproduct. It's very poisonous. Here what example we can give: quinine, nicotine, nimbin, pyrethroid. Okay, I have taken chosen simple names to remember. Quinine is malarial drug. Okay, nicotine is an insecticide, nimbin is an antiseptic, and pyrethroid is insecticide. I'm so sorry. Okay, now these alkaloids are stored in the parts of the plant like bark, leaves. Okay, see, quinine is stored in bark, nicotine is stored in leaves, Nimbin is stored in seeds, bark and leaves, and pyrethroids is stored in flowers. Coming to few on fruits, is scopolamine is also an alkaloid. Now nicotine is in tobacco. Nimbin with the name itself, it's a neem. Pyrethroid is chrysanthemum. Scopolamine is datura, okay, in the fruit. And caffeine is nothing but in coffee and seeds. That's why we say don't have high dosage of coffee, or else it's very toxic to the body and it can easily leads to death. Now coming to another metabolite, secondary metabolite, that is tannins. These are carbon compounds that are deep brown in color. An example is cassia acacia. Coming to resin, they are found in gymnosperms. There is one kind of passage known as resin passage. Example is spinous. And now gums is again one kind of secondary metabolite, and these gums are sticky substances. If you cut the branches, you will get these substances. Now they help in healing the wounds, and on absorbing water they swell. An example is neem and acacia. Now coming to latex, another metabolite, secondary one, that too. It is very sticky, it's milky white in color, and it is stored in latex cells or latex vessels. Okay, here the rubber plant, you can tell rubber plant scientific name is Hevea brasiliensis. This rubber plant is an example of latex. And even jatropha is also, it also helps in biodiesel, forming of biodiesel. Now let us see one last point. Now this is not related to plants but to humans. The process of transplantation of organs from brain dead patients. Again, there will be a normal organ donation also, and a organ donation from brain dead patients also. So the one from brain dead patients, the transplantation from brain dead patients is known as cadaver transplantation. Okay, cadaver is nothing but the one who is dead actually is cadaver. Okay, so this was all about it. You can have notes, it's very simple notes for exams. Okay, if you have liked the video, understood the video, so like it, comment it and share it, and do subscribe this channel. Till then, from my next video, bye bye. And please one more thing, if you want any kind of video from me, you can just comment me below so that I can make the video and that content. Okay, just tell me on which content you want video. Bye.